Today we talk about how can you enable long chip uh, on your app on your periodic chip lab. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to add long chip. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just click here on settings. You come to next chip here, then you click here on from chip. Then you click here on long chip here. Then it's going to add with you on your app. That's all you have to do, that's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.